Question number 3 from 14.1. That is here, you will have to find the missing frequency. Do refer the question from your textbook properly before you start here. So to find the missing frequency, like I said before on the previous question, you can apply any method. So here, I'll be taking here assume mean method. For that case here, one must have to draw 5 columns. The first 2 columns fill with the class interval and the frequency. Now the third column, what you'll have to fill here, that is class mark. The next one, deviation or DI equals to class mark minus assume mean. After that here, the product of the frequency and deviation. Now comes here to class mark. How to get a class mark? Like I said before here, you can take the calculation method. That is here, lower limit what we have, that is 11 plus upper limit, that is 13 divided by 2, which is equals to 13 plus 11 equals to 24 divided by 2. So you can cut by 2 table, 2 into 12. That is how here the class mark is 12. And after that, check the class size. 13 minus 11, 2, which means the class size 2. So the class size value is 2. Just you'll have to add here 2. 12 plus the class size value 14. 14 plus class size value 16. 16 plus class size value 18. 18 plus 2 20. 20 plus 2 22. 22 plus 2, which is 24. Or by just observation method also we can just make out 11 dash 13. The missing value here 12. 13 missing value is 14. 15 missing value is 16, and so on. We can get the value of xi. Now from this class mark, get the middle value. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So odd number, 7 is odd number. Odd number means exactly you'll be getting the middle value. So 1 2 3, again here 1 2 3, and the middle value, which is equals to 18. So this will be your assume mean. Once you locate that one, the next 2 column, that is deviation column 0, product column 0. Now before 0, remember that negative value. After 0, positive value. So what will be the value here? Just what you'll have to subtract these 2 value. That is 18 minus 16 equals to 2. That means filled with 2. After getting that value, just what you'll have to do, take the multiple of 2. 21 is 2. 22 is 4. 23 is 6. Repeat the same step. Here comes 21 will be 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Just once you get this value, you'll have to take here opposite of this value. Now the last column, product of frequency and deviation. So negative value here, 7 6 are 42. Again 6 4s are 24, but sign negative. 9 2s are 18, negative sign. Now f into 2, not possible, so we take both 2f. 5 4s are 20. 4 6 are 24. What you'll have to do, first you can group these 2 together. You can add all this value. Now 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So we have got 14. After that here, so 14, so 1 in hand, 4 5 6 7 plus 1 will be 8, but sign negative. The second part, what we do here, that is you'll have to add up all these 3 values. But here, since f is a frequency and that is a variable, so we can't include here. So just take these 2 value. 20 plus 24 equals to 44. After taking the sum of both the value, you'll have to again take their sum. Plus minus will be minus. Now 4 minus 4 will be 0. 8 minus this will be 4, but sign will be minus. That is how here the total here, we take the symbol here, sigma fi di equals to. Now take this 2f. The sum of all this value, we have minus 40. So minus 40. Now after that here, what you'll have to do, take the sum of all the frequencies. That implies to sigma fi equals to, we have here a variable, so take the variable f. After that, all the constant you can group together. So 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 9 will be 18. 18 plus this will be 24. 24 plus 10 will be 34. So 4, 1 in hand. So it will be 2. It will be 34. So here comes 4. That is how here f plus 44. Now your main target here to get the missing frequency. To get a missing frequency, now we can see here, let the assume mean or a value, we have now 18. So here 18. Sigma fidi equals to, we have already got above here, 2f minus 40. After that, the sum of all the frequencies, we have f plus 44. Now we know that mean by using a shortcut method equals to a plus sigma fidi divided by sigma fi. Substitute the value of a equals to, we have 18 plus sigma fidi, we have now 2f minus, which is 40, divided by sigma fi value f plus 44. Now here the value of mean is already given on your question, which is given there, rupees 18. After that, you'll have to collect the like terms, which is equals to so take this 18 from right side to left hand side. We get here 18. Positive 18 changed to negative 18, which is equals to, these two not possible to subtract, so drop down the same value divided by f plus 44. Now 18 minus 18 equals to 0, which is also equals to, drop the same value, 2f minus 40 divided by f plus 44. Now after this here, 0 divided by what we have? Yes, 1. Take a cross multiplication. Once we take here our cross multiplications, then we get here take a cross now, 0 into this and 1 into here. Once we take cross multiplication, we get here 2f minus 40 equals to, if you multiply by 0, then always result will be 0. Now 2f equals to, take this minus 40 to the right hand side, plus 40. Therefore, we need the value of f equals to 40. 2 will take now upon 2. After that here, f equals to 2 into 20. 20. So that is how here we have got the missing frequency. Hence, we can say that the missing frequency is 20.